Hey everybody, we are in Pleasanton, Texas at the HEB car wash, and Josh has been wanting to do this for a long time, right Josh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so most of you know Josh already. A lot of people know Josh. He's been dying to do a car wash video. He really enjoys them, and he's been wanting to do one of his own, so let's do this, right baby?
Yeah.
So we're in line waiting, of course.
Wait.
Real quick, here are the
wash. Wait,
getting ready to pull in.
Yeah. Wait, Mom. Yep.
Oh, here we go.
No dog.
Ready, Josh?
No.
You're probably gonna find in the video that.
Oh.
Take it easy on this.
Josh?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Wait, no. Mom.
What is it saying, Josh?
No, Mom.
Forward.
Yeah. Please, Mom. Stop.
Oh, man. Wait.
Stand.
Do we stop or do we go? Okay.
Stop. Stand. Away. Away. No.
Here we go.
Oh. Wait. Oh.
Turn on the light.
Uh-oh. Come down. So. Oh, dear. Oh.
This is a $14 car wash. I had no idea they were so expensive now. Got $1 off for putting gas too. We got a little discount. Not bad.
Oh. Oh. That.
And the sides.
The brush. The China there. Smoke and
What is it?
China.
The dryer?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that is the dryer.
Yeah, the roof.
What's your favorite part, Josh?
Easy. To the 10. Yep. Uh-oh. No say.
Not sure if I mentioned this already, but Josh has had a week.
And car washes are super therapeutic for him. He really enjoys car washes, right, Josh?
Yeah.
It is one of his favorite activities.
Yeah.
We spend a lot of time in car washes.
Yep.
Fairly cheap entertainment, and it keeps him calm and safe. Is it safe?
Yeah.
What if we get out? Is it safe if we get out?
Yeah. The money is there.
If I get out of the car right now, is that okay?
No.
What happens?
It's there.
Get hurt?
Yeah.
Not safe to do that, right? If they stay.
China. Yeah.
What's going on there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I
Uh-oh.
think it is.
Shit. Wow. Nice. Really do.
So you're looking at the.
Oh. Oh! Oh!
I think that smells clean, right, Josh?
Let's see.
What do you think it smells dirty?
No.
Clean?
Yep.
Like cherries?
Yeah,
Cotton candy?
candy.
Looks like cotton candy, right?
Yep. Yes. No.
You can smell it through the window.
Oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh. Nope. Back.
Back.
Yep. Fine.
Can't tell what you can see back there because
Soap.
the camera doesn't turn for me.
Oh. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Hey, I wonder if it's gonna wash off my stickers.
Oh. No. Lindy, Mom. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who next?
What's next?
Oh.
What's it doing? What is that?
Oh. Oh, dang.
Is that rinsing?
Nope. Hot wax.
It's hot wax?
Yep.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh, well, it tells you over there. Look, it's, yeah, I guess, sort of. It's a surface protectant. So we're almost done.
Yeah.
We've done the carriage. We've done the soap application. The wheel cleaning. The Lustre Shine.
Ooh.
Lustre Shield. Super Gloss.
Wow.
Wow.
Wait.
We did spot free rinse. We
Wait,
did
wait.
surface protectant. Now we're going to hair dry. Is that it?
No. Turn on.
Oh, we don't move.
Turn
Oh,
on.
almost moved, baby.
Turn
The
on.
dryer comes to you.
Ooh.
Oh, no, it's still... Oh, there it is. It's drying. It's drying.
Shake. Oh my gosh.
What are you feeling?
Oh my.
You feel it? Oh, does it feel hot?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. Okay, maybe a little. Yeah, you're right.
Oh. Yay. Oh my goodness. Midnight. Oh, nice shot.
I have no doubt that it's going to be pretty clean.
Oh, there's that. All
It's
right.
time to go.
Bye. I know.
Joshua is really happy.
Wow. Man.
All right, now where are we going now?
Eat.
See y'all later.
Sit down.
See you later.
Sit